Piku, a quirky tale of family, love, and self discovery. Let's dive into the heartwarming tale of Piku, where the bond between a father and daughter takes center stage. As they embark on a road trip to Kolkata, their journey unexpectedly brings them closer. Yet, Piku is more than a story of family ties. It reminds us that life is messy, complicated, and downright hilarious at times. It's a story about family, about letting go, and about embracing the future with open arms. It stars Deepika Padukone as Piku, a modern day woman in her 30s. She's juggling demanding career, a family prone to theatrics, and a love life that's practically non-existent. Piku's world is a constant dance between orders and chaos. One minute she's barking orders into her phone, navigating the treacherous waters of office politics. The next, she's locked in a battle of wills with her father, Bhaskar, played by Amitabh Bachchan. Bhaskar, a man in his 60s, could turn nausea into a national health emergency. His illness anxiety is legendary, and his daily routine revolves around doctor visits, self diagnosis, and a concerning number of laxatives. Their apartment is a testament to their contrasting personalities. Piku's desk is a picture of organized efficiency, overflowing with files and coffee mugs strategically placed. Bhaskar's side, on the other hand, resembles a war zone of medical journals, half empty pill bottles, and crumpled tissues. Despite their differences, their love for each other shines through in the most unexpected moments. A shared joke, a comforting touch, a fierce protectiveness. Theirs is a bond forged into the fires of family, even if it feels like they're living in a never ending Bollywood musical. Enter Rana, the unsuspecting hero of this chaotic tale, played by Irfan Khan, a local cab driver with an easy smile and a disarming charm. Rana unknowingly becomes entangled into the Banerjee family drama when Piku flags him down, desperate for a ride. Little does he know, this simple journey will become an adventure that will change all their lives. The road trip to Kolkata unfolds like a storybook. Piku and Bhaskar bicker in the car, their voices a constant counterpoint to Rana's calming presence. As the miles tick by, their initial awkwardness melts away. Bhaskar, forced out of his comfort zone, starts to loosen up, sharing stories of his youth and his deep love for Kolkata. Their journey takes them beyond the tourist hotspots. They visit the serene banks of the Hooghly River, watching the sunset paint the sky in fairy hues. They explore the narrow alleyways of old Kolkata, stumbling upon hidden temples and charming cafes. They stop at colorful roadside chai stalls, their steaming cups warming their hands against the cool morning air. With each shared experience, the bond between them strengthens and a new dynamic emerges. Piku and Bhaskar's bickering takes a new tone, laced with affection and a newfound understanding. Rana, no longer just a driver, becomes a friend, offering a listening ear and a shoulder to cry on. He challenges Piku's cynicism with his optimism and Bhaskar's anxiety with his laid-back nature. But the journey isn't about laughter and sightseeing. The road trip forces each of them to confront their fears and embrace the beauty of the unexpected. Piku, usually so fiercely independent, begins to let her guards down, revealing a vulnerability beneath her strong exterior. Bhaskar confronts his own mortality, realizing the preciousness of time with his daughter. And Rana, witnessing their unique bond, rediscovers the importance of family. The climax of their journey arrives in a way none of them could have anticipated. A sudden health scare for Bhaskar forces them to confront their deepest fears and vulnerabilities. Piku, faced with the possibility of losing her father, realizes the depth of her love for him. Bhaskar, humbled by his own mortality, expresses his pride in the strong, independent women his daughter has become. Rana, witnessing their emotional turmoil, offers unwavering support, his presence a source of strength and comfort. The film resonated with audiences across India, particularly in its portrayal of a modern, independent woman navigating the dynamics of family and relationships. Young women in India saw themselves reflected in Piku's struggles and triumphs. The film also celebrated the beauty of everyday life. Piku's journey wasn't about grand gestures or dramatic plot twists. It was about simple joys of shared experiences, family bonds, and the discovery of oneself. This resonated with audiences of all ages, reminding them to cherish the little things and find humor in the everyday chaos. Piku challenged traditional Bollywood tropes, presenting a strong female protagonist who wasn't defined by romance or marriage. It ushered in a new era of storytelling, one that focused on character development, relatable themes, and a more nuanced portrayal of family dynamics. It paved the way for more films that explored the complexities of modern Indian life, celebrating female agency and challenging societal norms. Pico remains a cherished film, a heartwarming tale that reminds us of the enduring power of family, the importance of embracing the present, and the beauty of finding love in the most unexpected places.